பேட்டரி வேணா ஆன் பண்ணிக்கோ.
போக மறைச்சிட்டு போறாரு, போ திட்ட போறாரு, சீக்கிரம் போ. அவர் தான் கோச், அவரு மறைச்சிக்கிட்டே போறாரு எல்லாரையும். என் மகா சைக்கிள்ல வர்றா. Hey guys, today something very unusual happened. I was recording a video while accompanying my daughter on her cycling trip from Chennai to Mahabalipuram. It was me and my wife following her on my bike. கேமரா, ஸ்பீட் கேமரா இருக்கும் இங்கே. நேற்று தான் ஒன்று எப்படி வந்து நிற்கிது, எப்படி வந்து நில்லு, பைக் முன்னாடி நில்லு, சைடில் நிற்காது.
மனுஷங்க கேமரா. மனுஷங்க கேமரா இல்லையா?
மனுஷங்க கேமராவா? அப்படின்னா
இப்போ பேட்டரி ஆன் பண்ணா வீட்டு வரைக்கும் வருமா?
அதான் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ண போகிறோம். That's my Himalayan 450. I wanted to test a few things. How the dual audio recording works, how cruise control behaves at a slow speed, and also check my daughter's cycle range. The cycle was actually charged almost a month ago, and we wanted to see if it could still hold its charge without recharging before the ride. So I used the new DJI Mic Mini, and my wife was using DJI Mic too. My wife clipped her mic to her dress, and mine was inside my helmet. Everything seemed fine until I started editing the footage. Here is where the real story begins. When I played the video, my voice came only from left speaker and my wife's voice came from the right. There she comes. That's not a cut. 8 kilometers. Kayatinge 8 kilometers irukku. At first I had no idea how to fix it. I searched the internet for hours and surprisingly no one was talking about this. But finally I discovered the secret. I am using Final Cut Pro X, but the same logic works in most video editing software. On the right side of the screen, click the speaker icon. Go to audio configuration. Under your dialog track, change it from stereo to dual mono. Then right click on the clip and choose expand audio component. Now you will see the magic. There are actually two separate audio files inside one video file. Here you can apply voice isolation individually for each track or even disable one mic if needed. Once you switch to dual mono, both voice play evenly on left and right channels and it finally sounds normal. So now we have reached the easier road. Now it's time to check the cruise control in slow speed. Okay, let's do that. Traffic is high, but I'm going to try it in the slow speed. It's not getting engaged. I need to have some RPM. Oh, see, this is super. This is not allowing me to engage. See, I have set the cruise control in 45 km speed. Okay, now I don't need any acceleration. Let's try to reduce the speed. 5 km. Okay, it's getting reduced. Good. Let's see if another 5 km is getting reduced. Yes, super, you know. This machine, this cruise control is so super. See, now it is going in 39 km speed. I don't think it is right decision to reduce the speed after this. We will just leave it as it is. I will go in 40 km speed. Let's see how long it is going to go. ஐயோ இவ்வளோ கூட்டு வந்து பெரிய தப்பாக போச்சு. டிஃபன் கடை மீன் கடைன்னுக்கிட்டு இருக்கா. சூப்பர்ல. The cruise control worked in slow speed without damaging the clutch plate. See, now it is not getting, it got engaged. In third gear, 38 km speed, it is getting engaged. Okay, let's try fourth gear in 35 km speed.
எங்கயோ நிறுத்தணும் நீ. எங்க நிறுத்தணும்?
See, 35 kilometer speed and 37 kilometer speed and fourth gear. Super la. Cruise control is set. It's working. They said they'll update me with in high gears. This cruise control is not getting engaged above 40. In low gear, it is okay. Like third, fourth, and all, it is getting engaged. That is not a problem. In 30 kilometer speed. That is my observation. So that's the fix, guys. If your DJI mic or dual audio setup sounds one-sided, try this workout. It works perfectly. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe so more people can fix their audio without struggling for hours like I did. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope this video helped you. Bye. So I am somewhere around 100 meters. Let's see. The audio is getting captured. அண்ணா இது 2 ரூபா காஃபி தூள் இருக்கா? அது ஒரு 50 பாக்கெட் கொடுங்க. ப்ரூ இல்லை சன்ரைஸ் ஒரு பிளாஸ்டிக் கவர் போட்டு கொடுங்க. எத்தனை பாக்கெட் இருக்கு? பிளாஸ்டிக் கவர் போட்டு.
எங்கடா போற?
So I'm sure you are not able to see me. I'm this far. Like more than 100 meters.
அவ்வளவுதான்.
More than 50 meters. கூகுள் பே இருக்காப்பா?
மகேஷ்
92வா? சரஸ்வதி தானே?
1 கிலோ கான்ஃபிளவர் ஒன்று.
காசு வந்துருச்சா?
₹92 received on phone pay.